Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable ads data sharing on your Yubo app. We're going to figure out this solution on know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above the sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on safety and privacy here. Then come to next step here. Then you click here on privacy preferences. So then you come to next step here. Come here to ads data sharing. Click in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean ads data sharing enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.